My favorite improvement is this is the bow clip as it comes out of the injection mold. What we had to do is break off these pieces individually and then sort them into these different buckets, and they drop all over the place. What we did was created the Chomper 9000. All you do is open this up, put the sprue in there with all 4 pieces. Now watch this. All sorted into different bins. We don't have to touch them at all.
No
I can do
freaking
this like
way.
10 times faster than before. It's way better.
So with the Chomper, sometimes the bow clips fly up when it removes the sprue, and they can actually fall into the wrong bin. So what I did was I made these lids that were already somewhat broken and cut them so that they actually fit over, but allow the pieces to fall down through the chute, but nothing will fall down inside of them and get them mixed up. We were having issues where the sprue would want to fall down into any one of these holes, and we had to quick waist motion to pick it up and toss out of the way before lifting it back up again. So to counteract that, what me and Tyler did was we added a little spray gun that will shoot air directly up and launching it out of the way. So you never have to worry about it landing in the way again. So, boom.